In this example, we're going to be taking a look at y equals minus x squared plus 6x plus 16. I've already sketched part of it, so we've got the curve, we've got minus 2 and 8 as the roots, the x-intercepts. Now, if you want to know where those values come from, then if we look at the equation, we could factorize this, but the first thing I would do is, because it's just minus x squared, I'm going to factor minus 1 out the whole thing. So minus x squared take away 6x take away 16. Now the reason I would do that is because now I can easily factorize what's inside the bracket. So two numbers that multiply together make minus 16 but add together to make minus 6 would be minus 8 and 2. So if you're trying to work out where the curve crosses the x-axis, then you need y to be 0. And then it's a case of saying, well, if this bracket is 0, then x would have to be 8. And if this bracket was 0, then x would have to be minus 2. And there I've got my roots. Okay, so y-intercept. Well, the y-intercept is when x is 0, so y is going to be 16. It's the value on the end. It's a parabola, so there will be a line of symmetry. Now, this point here is halfway between minus 2 and 8. So add them together, divide by 2. Minus 2 plus 8 is 6, divided by 2 is 3. Okay, so this vertical line, this line of symmetry, is x equals 3. The last point I'm interested in is the turning point. I already know what the x-coordinate is, it's 3, but what's the y-coordinate? So I'm going to substitute x is 3 back into the original equation. Y is equal to minus 3 squared plus 6 times 3 plus 16. So minus 3 squared is minus 9. 6 times 3 is 18. Minus 9 plus 18 is 9, plus 16 is 25. So 25 is the y-coordinate of the turning point. And we're done.